Hello everybody, it's been a while, I am back. I got a magical mystery lot from my local auction house. I paid $25 for everything that you're about to see. I have not opened it yet, so I wanted to open it on film. So it was originally in 2 boxes, I put them in bags, it's all a mystery to me, let's open everything. So I just opened up this is an anchor hawking little mini vase, and I have one just like it. So that's pretty cool. I don't know if I could keep that or possibly resell it, but I think if it does resell, it's only gonna be around $8 or something like that. It's not a high price item. What is this? What is this? Oh my goodness, that is nice. It's like an etched glass egg on a pedestal. I really like that. That is some nice, that's cool looking decor. I don't know if you could see how cool that is in the camera, but this is really cute. That's cute. I saw this on the picture and I did not know what this is. So it's like a little birdie swinging in a cage. And I don't know the story behind this. I don't know if this is something where there are others made of it, but I figured that this could be a nice little shabby chic type of country decor to have in one's house. I think that's a score. There was also a little bit of just plain glassware. Now this to me looks like really nice, high quality cut glass, possibly Waterford, I don't know. And I think this is cut glass too. Yeah, some more cut glass. Oh, wow. I saw this on the screen. I did not know what this is going to be, but this is absolutely beautiful. Yeah, this was made in Italy, and this is really nice. Just a nice piece of decor, a nice piece of glass. It's big, too. If you want to look at it compared to, like, the glass. Like, this is a nice big piece of glass. Even if you took the cork out and made this into a little vase, that is cute. Next up, we got a mini mortar and pestle. Cute. This goes with my decor currently, so I really like that. And we also got, let's see, oh, just, I guess this is like another art glass vase. Pretty nice. There's no markings on it, so definitely got some kitsch in that bag. We've got this little guitar player. You've probably seen these, but the guitar comes off and it's a bottle opener. And on the back it says Japan. So this is from the 1950s. I'll get that cleaned up all night. And this guy definitely also kitschy 1950s sleeping guy. I don't know what he was used for, but that's cute. I like stuff like that. And then this little chick. Okay. Woohoo, we're blasting through this. Oh my goodness. Ooh, I like this. Okay, it says Pilgrim glass. So this is, I thought it was Fenton for a second. This cute little kitty cat. Pilgrim glass. So this is definitely nice for resale. These things go from anywhere from about $15 all the way up to $50, just depending on, you know, the quality of the item, where you're selling it, and if the green kitty cat is something that people want. That's a great item to be in a mystery pack. So I'm pretty happy with that. We've got something else here. We've got, oh, looks as though we've got a bag of angels. So this is a raspberry, memories of love. And we've got, oh, these, I know these little cherubs. So these are dreamsicles and a candle angel. Another angel. And one last little, this is just a generic made in China angel. So that is everything that I got in the Magical Mystery Lot. Everything all together was $25. How do you think I did? Do you think that it was worth it? Keep in mind also, it was an hour drive to get there, hour drive to get home. Was it worth it for the items that I got? You let me know. So I had a good time opening. I hope that you guys enjoyed yourself, and thank you, and please subscribe.